Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I get this really pretty glowy summer makeup look, and if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just start to fill in my brows, just a natural bit, not too much. And then after that I'm going to take my Great Lash mascara, and it's a clear mascara just to help set my brows in place. I just like to do this too because it gives my eyebrows more texture. Now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to apply this on my eyelids as a base for the eyeshadow. Next I'm going to go in with the Nubian palette by Juvias Place, and I'm going to be using that kind of light, warm, brown shade as a transition, and I'm going to put this in my crease, and we're going to really blow it out with a nice fluffy blending brush. Now going in with this warmer, darker brown, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, a little more like packed blending brush, and I'm applying this on the outer portion of my eyes in little circular motions. So I would start with, a small amount and then slowly build it up on the outside, because since it's a day look, I don't want it to be too heavy. Now going with this Ulta Beauty foil eyeshadow. This is the shade Rose Gold Leaf. It's absolutely blinding. It's so pretty. I'm going to take this and apply it to my eyelids. I'm going to push it a little bit to help kind of get the product to set down, because it does have a little bit of fallout, so even some glitter glue will probably help with this. But I'm just using my fingers to help kind of blend out the eyeshadow on my lid. And as you can see, I kind of switch in between fingers, the one that has product and a finger that doesn't, so I can help kind of soften and smooth it out across my eyelid. And then I'm going to go back in with my transition shade, and I'm going to take that blending brush, the fluffy one, and use this to kind of help flick away any of the foil eyeshadow that got in my crease. Or anywhere that it flew up too high, but also to help soften and blend out everything one last time. Then going in with that darker brown, I'm just going to bring it back in, because I don't want the shimmery eyeshadow to have overpowered it a little bit, because this just gives it a little bit more of a softer definition on the eyes. And then I'm going to go in with the concealer using the same Makeup Revolution concealer, and with a sponge I'm going to blend this out. And then using the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation along with the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth, I'm mixing the two together to make a nice shade, and I'm going to put this all over my face. The reason why I like to mix the two is because the Catrice is really matte and the Dewy helps give it less of a matte look and more of a nice kind of satin natural finish. And as you can see right here, it just gives this nice little kind of glow. And then we're going to go in with the transition shade again, just to on the bottom lash line, and using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, I'm going to set my face. I'm kind of baking almost a little bit of my under eye and the area underneath it, because when I sweat, that's kind of the first place that my makeup will start to kind of fall apart. And then I would set the rest of my face, and now I'm going to go in with the Fit Me pressed powder, I believe in coconut, and try this out as a bronzer. I bought it recently, and I just wanted to give it a try and see how it goes. So this is kind of how it looked. I did soften it up a little bit because I went a little heavy-handed. And then I'm just going to bring a little bit of definition back on my nose. And then we're going to go in with the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio, and I'm using the middle shade and the orange shade to give myself a nice peachy wash, and using the Wet n Wild loose highlighter in I'm So Lit. I use this on my cheekbones, and then I'm taking the GLF Cosmetics highlighter palette and using those two shades to kind of highlight the center of my face, because I didn't want it to be that blinding, but I wanted a really pretty kind of a more natural glow. As you can see, it's softer, it's more like my skin tone. And then using the Fenty Beauty Fussy Gloss, I'm going to apply that on my lips. You can use a lipstick or whatever. And then using the Pixi Glow setting spray, I'm going to set my face with it to give me one last little spritz. And this is the look. Really kind of natural, nice and dewy, not too matte, a nice shimmer to the eye. I really loved this look, honestly. Like, I'm really obsessed with it. I think it's a nice everyday summer look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.